In this video, I'll show you how to fix Play Store not opening problem on Android phone. So if you're trying to open up the Play Store but it's not opening or it's not working at all, then here is how you can actually fix the problem. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, to not fix the Play Store not opening problem, the very first thing that you have to do, simply go and open up the settings from your Android phone and then scroll down a little bit and tap on this apps section here. Go ahead and tap on apps and then tap on manage apps. And once you're here inside the manage apps, you just need to go and tap on the search bar and search for Play Store. And once you've searched with the Play Store, you'll get to the Google Play Store. You just need to tap on this, and from the app info, tap on clear data at the bottom right, and then tap on clear cache, and then tap on OK. Now get back for one time, and from the search again, go and tap on Google Play Service, the first option, and then tap on clear data at the bottom right again, and then tap on clear cache, and then tap on OK. Now pretty much good to go. Just get back from here, and then force close the application from the background. Now go ahead and restart your phone once. And once you've restarted your phone, most likely your problem is going to be solved and the Play Store not opening problem will be fixed. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.